Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an oxygen acetylene torch for cutting. First, prioritize safety. Always wear personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to protect yourself from sparks and heat. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated and free of any flammable materials. Before connecting anything, carefully inspect all your equipment, including the cylinders, regulators, and hoses, for any signs of damage or wear. This initial check is crucial for a safe operation. Next, let's connect the regulators and hoses. The oxygen regulator connects to the oxygen cylinder, which typically has right-hand threads. The acetylene regulator connects to the acetylene cylinder, identifiable by its left-hand threads. Remember, oxygen is green and acetylene is red. Attach the green oxygen hose to the oxygen regulator and the red acetylene hose to the acetylene regulator. Always ensure these connections are snug and secure to prevent any gas leaks. Now, attach the hoses to the torch body, again matching the green oxygen hose to the oxygen inlet and the red acetylene hose to the acetylene inlet. Once connected, slowly open the cylinder valves. Open the oxygen cylinder valve fully, about 1 full turn. For the acetylene cylinder, open it only about 1/4 of a turn. This allows for quick shutoff in an emergency. Finally, apply a leak detection solution to all connections to confirm there are no gas leaks. Before lighting, purge the lines to remove any air. Open the oxygen torch valve for about 5 seconds, then close it. Do the same for the acetylene torch valve for about 5 seconds. Now, open the acetylene torch valve about 1/4 of a turn and use a spark lighter to ignite the gas. Slowly open the oxygen torch valve until you achieve a neutral flame, which is perfect for cutting. You are now ready to begin your cutting task safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.